Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Jawad Ul Manzoor Foundation. Today we are learning unit 6.1, exercise 6.1, money. Alright, we have done this unit and exercise from the learner's book. This all the solution from the workbook. Already we have discussed all the things in very detail, so I am not explaining again the same thing, but I am just providing the solution of you from the workbook so that you can solve it, or you can solve by yourself and you can just match your answers. All right, try to do practice again and again for the same type of question so that you will be able to learn and learn this concept of money. It will be clear to you. And after that I would like to tell you that apart from the workbook, I have also solved few other worksheets as well. I'm also making some interactive worksheet and I will give you the link below so that you can solve out with your students, with your kids and with your siblings as well. So I think this is not very difficult, and don't try to say to them that you have to learn the concept of money, you learn this and practice this. No, try to give them the concept and the importance of money. This topic is very much important and informative as well. So if you have not learned from the learner's book, I will put the link below in the description, and I unit and this exercise from the learner's book where I have defined each and everything in a very detail. Try to give the concept and try to give the information about the money to your kids. Don't give the pressure for the learning. Just do some practical activities with them. For example, give them money and go to the shop and say to them to buy something, and after that ask with them how much amount you have spent to buy in buying and how much is remaining. So this will help them to start their interest, taking interest into the learning this unit and into learning this exercise, because in this way they will come to know that how the money concept, how much this concept is important in our daily life. Because whenever you are giving them money and you are starting shopping with them, a small practical will help them to take a part and to take interest without taking any burden, without thinking that this is a burden, this is an exercise they have to solve. No, they will take interest to learn this information, that how we have to deal with the shopkeeper. And when we are giving the money, and if we are giving a big note and we have bought a small amount of things, so how much we have to take back. And this thing, the money chapter, money exercise will help them to learn about these. Apart from the concept of money, this activity, this small activity will also push them to learn addition and subtraction concept, that how much this is important. So try to do the activity with your kids. Give them the pressure to solve the bundles of exercises. After doing this activity, they will do by their self, because this is very important. Okay, so try to teach your kids in this way. Thank you. Best of luck. If you have any question, you can just write me. I will give you the answer of this.